Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to share my favorite dry shampoo with you. I love the Klorane Ultra Gentle Dry Shampoo. It is made with oat milk and it is harvested in France, so it's wonderful quality, but at the same time, it's also going to work very effectively. I love that it's paraben and sulfate free. That's very important to me, and it is vegan and plant-based. So it's just an ultra fine powder that you spray all over your hair, making sure to really get any areas that you feel like you may need, especially around the hairline, maybe even in your parts. You just want to get it in there, rub it around, give it just a minute, and then you'll brush through. It's really going to eliminate all those oils, dirts, even odor that you may have. Just a wonderful overall product. It's going to bring life back to my hair. I love that it's going to give me back some of my just volume and bounce after I use it, but before I am able to actually shampoo again. So if you're also on a hair health journey and you need a little more time in between shampoos, this is the dry shampoo for you. And that's my point of view.